Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a Verizon Fios TV remote that's not working. Alright, let's begin. First, check the batteries in your remote. If it isn't responding, the batteries might be dead. Flip the remote over, remove the battery cover, and replace the old batteries with new ones, making sure they're properly aligned with the correct polarity. If the batteries are fine but the remote still doesn't work, try resetting it. Press and hold the OK and menu buttons at the same time for about 15 seconds. When the red light blinks and turns off, the remote has been reset. This often fixes communication issues with your Fios TV box. If the problem continues, check for signal interference. Make sure nothing is blocking the line of sight between the remote and your TV. If you're using infrared mode, the signal must have a clear path to the receiver. So that's basically how you can fix a Verizon Fios TV remote that's not working. That's it for this video. Thanks.